24 All-Star Race winner.
Joey Logano is pumped as he goes up to get his flag. Joey, it's no secret. It's been a struggle for you and this team this year. You come out here tonight, absolutely dominated like nobody has done in an all-star race. What does this do for the morale for you and this team? Here comes your son, your dad.
So fast. We came here and tested. We ran over 800 laps. The tires test all really figured to work and really figured out what it's going to take to win the race. The boys executed a fantastic stop.
Generations of Loganos right here.
It's been a while since you've won a race, and I wish this one counted for points, but $1 million will work as well.
Joey, you mentioned that you did the tire test here with 2 other drivers. What did you learn there and on Friday that gave you guys the confidence you can run as long as you did on that softer tire?
Yeah, I wasn't so certain. We ran over 60 laps at practice, and the tires looked okay. And, you don't know exactly what the track is going to be, but get a total team there. I guess it takes some strategy, like we talked about. Obviously, it takes a fast car, it takes the execution, but then get your moving money. It takes some running so fast. My alarm was so great. We just had to battle along. When there's $1 million on the line, I think all the rules go out the window clean. So I knew that was coming. I was trying to maintain that clean air. If I lost the clean air, we would have won the race. So we maintained it all day. Yeah, it feels good. It feels great.
Congratulations, Joey Logano fired up, and we've got a fight going on right now between Kyle Busch and Ricky Stenhouse Jr.
Ricky Stenhouse Jr. had to stay here at the track for the entire time because there is no way out. Now this is spread to teammates of each one of these respective drivers between Kyle Busch and Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Not totally surprised by that due to the reaction of Stenhouse after being taken out of the race on just the second lap.
And you can see that on the big screen. Kyle Busch now walking into the hauler, and Ricky Stenhouse Jr.